And namaste, and welcome to what I would say is the first kind of official snow of the season, as it is right here. And I thought this would not only be a great place and a great natural event to do a healing, but also as at the end of the month we have the fourth ray of the sacred flames of manifestation and creation, and that is the white crystalline ray. And so as we see here, we have white and crystalline colors to heal with. So let's also incorporate that into our healing as we do this healing with the Tao. And remember, it's also Reiki, Mother Nature, Melchizedek method, any Karuna. We have Karuna also coming up that we're going to be teaching. We have Melchizedek method that's going to be coming up that we're teaching. So all of these methods that we learn and we enjoy are all part of the same oneness. So let's see, within that oneness, let's explore some of the characteristics of the white light, which is what we are underneath our skin and our clothes, whatever we choose to wear. And we come into these lives, we put on different kinds of garments, so we have different experiences. But within the whole oneness of what we are, there are qualities of these rays of the Tao that we can work on individually, so to say. So let's see what the white ray of light mixed with the gold can do for us today. Alrighty, so get your crystal ready for our crystal charging. And so here in nature, we're going to charge it this week with the white light with the golden. So as we understand, we ourselves are white light, and we're calling in the golden light of the Tao. So this is a very, very powerful combination. So we're calling in right now the Tao, Tao, Tao to be here now, to envelop us and embrace us. The golden light of the Tao surrounding our white light spiritual bodies and our soul. Let's make that intention and hold that intention right now. And namaste. So that really is as simple as it has to be. Why not be that simple? We don't have to make it complicated. Nature really isn't complicated. It just heads for the light. So let's do the same. Namaste. And so, as we continue on our life journey, our soul's journey, it is like a river with many bends. And as you follow the flow of life, the flow of your soul's journey, you will come to certain intersections. And you have to make a choice of to go left or right, this way or that, to continue on where you are going in the familiar flow, or to venture out and take a new path, unknown terrain, so to say. So we understand that this is like our soul's journey. In a way, these choices are like going left and right in a long, infinite journey home. So when you come to these bends in the river, these intersections, so to say, take a stop and pause. Go into your heart. And as St. Augustine always says, love and do what you will, and you will know the way. The way of the Tao, the way of love, the way of the white light, and the way of nature. Namaste. And as I was walking in nature, recording our healing quantum video for the day, as it always seems to happen in nature, I came across a little surprise message. Now it came across from this beautiful tree, and as I was looking at the strength of this tree, how thick it is, it's just incredible. And what came to me immediately is right there, you can see, at the top of this tree, it seems to have made a course correction. Right there in that little kind of bend. And immediately this message came. It's never too old to change direction. And we learned that from this beautiful tree. And so this started to come in as a message about also our longevity courses that will be coming up, that we'll be teaching. And so we'll be bringing nature into that as well. Because with the Tao, well, there's no avoiding nature. We're in it, so we might as well enjoy it, discover it within ourselves, and improve our own beautiful view of the world we live in. Namaste. Well, thank you for joining me once again as we bring the outside in, as we understand that when we work on the nature within, we're going to see a lot more of that beautiful nature without. So thank you for joining me as we take one final look at our beautiful Shawsheen River landscape that helped us heal today. Shawsheen in Native American means serpentine. As we understand our soul's journey is like a serpentine kind of movement. So as we see how the rivers in nature flow in a serpentine way, what do they do when they meet resistance? They go around it. They don't fight it. Isn't that a beautiful message from nature today? Namaste.